Not all acne marks are the same, and if you treat the wrong one, nothing works. So if your dark spots are refusing to fade no matter what you try, you're probably treating the wrong type. Plus, I just want to remind everyone that don't try anything you see on social media unless that person is a real deal. Nowadays, almost everything is fake. So today, I'll show you exactly which acne marks you have, why they're not fading, and the most underrated but actually effective ways to fix each one. Starting with what type of acne marks you have. So there are mainly 4 types of acne marks you can get. First, the red or pink marks. These are called post-inflammatory erythema, aka PIE. Second, the brown spots, also known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, aka PIH. Third, bumpy or uneven texture, which is what we call true acne scars. And last, a mix of pink and brown, basically combo marks. Most of the time you can tell what you have just by looking in the mirror, but if you're still confused, just upload a picture of your acne marks on the community post. I or the other beauties will help you figure it out. In today's video, we're focusing on the last 2, brown spots and uneven texture. But before I show you how to treat them the right way, we need to talk about something even more important. That top 10 habits and mistakes that can secretly but for sure completely reverse your progress. Because girl, one wrong move and all your effort goes straight down the drain. So let's start with what to avoid. Number 1, stop scrubbing your face thinking it will lighten spots. Physical scrubs only cause more irritation, which means more redness and darker pigmentation. Number 2, don't keep changing products every week. Acne marks need time, at least 6 to 8 weeks. I know this sounds like a lot of time, but my love, it's a permanent fix. If you keep switching, nothing will work. Number 3, don't treat every mark with the same serum. Red marks, brown marks, scars, all need different treatments. If you use the wrong one, your skin won't improve at all. Number 4, avoid using too many actives at the same time. You don't need vitamin C plus niacinamide plus AHA plus BHA plus retinol all in one routine. That only leads to irritation and new marks. Number 5, please don't skip sunscreen. Even 5 minutes of sunlight can make PIH darker. If you're not using sunscreen, nothing, I repeat nothing, will fade. Number 6, don't pop, squeeze, or pick pimples. I know it's tempting, but that's exactly how red plus brown plus scar combos, aka mixed spots, happen. Number 7, no DIY hacks that burn your skin. Lemon, toothpaste, garlic, baking soda. These do more damage than good. Number 8, avoid sleeping on dirty pillowcases or letting your phone touch your face. They carry bacteria and oil. More breakouts, more marks. Number 9, don't overwash your face. 2 times a day is enough. More than that equals irritation and slower healing. Number 10, avoid hot water on your face. It makes redness stay longer. Alright, now let's talk about how to actually fade them. And girl, in this video, we're gonna cover second and third type of acne spots. That is uneven texture and brown spots. Let me know if we should cover other topics as well. Now, if your spots look brown, dark brown, or even slightly grayish, this is pure pigmentation sitting on the surface of your skin. And they are actually the easiest to fade, but only with consistent care and treatment. And uneven texture is a whole different story. These aren't marks at all. They're tiny dents, bumps, or little holes where the pimple damaged the deeper layers of your skin. Before we jump into a routine, I want to tell you the best ingredients to look for in products if you want real results with brown spots and uneven texture. Not hype, not trends, just what actually works. And if you're on a budget, don't worry. I'll also share a few DIY options that are effective, but they take longer to show results. So just keep your expectations realistic. Now here's how to make a routine for brown spots. Gently cleanse, followed by your treatment cream or any product that you choose, then moisturizer. And lastly, if you're using this as morning routine, then end it with sunscreen. And if you're doing it at night, then you can skip the sunscreen part. Okay, so now I want to take a little time for my textured skin girly. I want you to know that texture isn't just one problem. It's usually a mix of dead skin buildup, tiny clogged pores, dehydration, and a tired skin barrier, all happening at the same time. So obviously it won't disappear in 3 days. Your skin renews every 28 days, so give yourself at least 3 to 6 weeks. There are many types of textured skin, but today we are focusing on texture that happens after acne. And that type of texture only needs a little help, not much to worry about. So here's how your routine shows sound like. Morning, gentle cleanse, niacinamide. It will protect your skin from daytime damage. Next, moisturize, and last, sunscreen. As for night routine, this is where all the magic happened. It's super simple. All you gotta do is cleanse, followed by the product of your choice. Lastly, moisturize. Texture doesn't come only from your skincare. It also comes from dehydration, stress, and slow skin repair, so inner care matters. Please feel free to comment any type of question you have, and I will make sure to answer it. That was all for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to share it with your friends and family. See y'all in the next video. Take care.